How do you pronounce this name? Does it have one or two syllables? What about this word? Does it sound at all similar to the name? The British pronunciation of this name will often be Graham with two syllables. And there are lots of Americans who still pronounce it that way, but there are also lots of Americans who pronounce it Graham so that it rhymes with this word. So why does this difference exist? Well, we have different accents and dialects. We pronounce almost everything differently, including this. And despite what some commenters might suggest, it's not just because people genuinely think the H is a silent letter. After all, Graham is not pronouncing an H either. And you didn't learn how to read, which informed how you speak. You learned how to speak and you were a fluent speaker in your native language before you actually started learning to read. The speech informs the writing, not the other way around. And English writing specifically is very outdated and it's based on one regional accent or dialect, okay? It doesn't encompass all the hundreds and thousands and millions of different ways that English speakers speak. Now, it might have originally been pronounced with the H. It might come from an origin that means something like gray home. And over the centuries, gray home turned into Graham, 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 Graham. Now, why did I ask about this word and if you think it's at all similar? Well, when I first moved to Texas, one of the things that my friends pointed out about my accent is that I said it like grass. Very quickly, but grass. And the people here say it more like grass. So to me, I think it's very similar to the way some would say Graham, but I would also normally just say this name as Graham. And my accent has definitely changed over time, so maybe I don't really say grass that way anymore. Now that I'm thinking about saying it, I'm probably not going to pronounce it the way I would in a natural conversation, so I can't get a good example anyway. So let me know, how do you pronounce these words? Are they one or two syllables, or are they completely different than anything I've mentioned so far today? Let us know.